Hey, this is my new Shopkins package I got from Joann Fabrics at Barre, Vermont, and they're season 3 Shopkins, and as you can see in the bottom of this package right here, it says there are 2 Shopkins in the basket. Right here, it says, look for the limited edition Cool Jewel Shopkins, which shows a picture of Roxy Ring the Shopkin on it, aka engagement ring from the once cancelled series Grocery Brawl that I made. It's like Battle for Dream Island, but with Shopkins in it. Anyway, some of you probably recognized episode 1 and 2 on Google Drive. Episode 1 is public on Dailymotion now, if you want to check it out. Anyway, just gonna open the package now, and just trying to get the plastic off. Wow, scissors are such genius tools, aren't they? Because they can cut plastic very easily. And man, these things are hard to open. There. I think I got it. Now, let's see which Shopkins are inside. I'm gonna highly bet they're gonna be Shopkins that appear from my Object Show Grocery Brawl, like what I mentioned earlier on. And this package looks like a shopping basket, which is pretty cool. What's so cool about Shopkins, besides the fact that they are cute little toys that look like inanimate objects you can find in a grocery store and whatnot. And tearing this apart just because I am doing it for the heck of it. Alright, I got this cardboard out. The basket is pink with teal green handles, and there are 2 blind bags in here and a guide to see what I get. For those who want to see that guide, here it is. It's a wicked long list of Shopkins. Whoa. Let's open this one first. It feels like a fan. So its name, according to the homewares section, the fan's name is her name is Blow-Ann. She's a purple fan, and it's like a house fan. She's pretty cool. Next bag.
They didn't have any gold. So I was like reaching back behind, I'm like feeling stuff.
It feels like a chocolate bar box.
I found it! I couldn't even see it. I'm like reaching over.
According to the section called oh, there's some more Shopkins back here too, besides the one I showed in the front. Holy, that's a lot of Shopkins. Anyway, the one I felt, that one is hang on. It's a box that contains chocolates in it, and its name is, just gonna find out after I open this bag. Silly thing won't open for some reason. Just the scissors again. There. So it's a lot easier to open. And this Shopkin I got my hands on is, her name's Chocky Box, because as you can see, she has lots of chocolates, as you can find in a Valentine's Day treat box. So those are my first two Shopkins. They are Blow-Ann and Chocky Box, who just fell down. Stay still, Chocky Box. There you go. Chocky Box and Blow-Ann are now together. I might get more Shopkins soon in the future. Thank you for watching this first unboxing video of mine of the Shopkins. Thanks and goodbye.